thought that by dumping all your waste in the same dustbin, you've done good to the environment? Think twice.
That's Mr. Arvind, a BMC worker collecting waste.
We asked him what happens to the waste, and all he had to say was, it goes to the BMC.
So we ourselves went to the municipal corporate.
When you are putting in your house, how you are putting?
It's all together only.
You are putting all together?
Yes.
That means I am receiving it all together?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
So you are putting paper also same basket, your food waste also in same basket, your kitchen waste also in same basket, and whatever may be thing you are putting in a same basket and you are sending out. So same fashion it will come to us.
Okay, so citizens are not actually segregating waste in their households, which is the initial point, the point of origin, and this causes a lot of harm to the municipal corporations. What are your views on this?
See, even as per our MSW Rule 2000, and as per Supreme Court's guideline also, every citizen has to segregate the waste at source only, and it is the responsibility of the citizen. And corporations can make the bylaws to penalize the citizen if they are not doing this. So as per law also they have to do. And if they don't do, then what happens? All this mixed garbage has to be transported to long distances to landfill sites and dumping ground. And then there it is to be treated and disposed of. And it requires a huge amount of money to be spent on these by municipal corporations. So it is better if it is tackled at the source, then all the recyclable will be recycled, and actual quantity which is to be sent to landfill site will be very less, and it will save land also, because land is precious, and in big cities there is no land for all these things. That is a major problem in India. Cities are not getting land for doing this, and those cities who are having land, ultimately they will be having problem of the land. So it is always better to segregate the source.
Mixed waste in landfills can contaminate groundwater and release methane gas, which is highly flammable.
Rat pickers suffer from cuts and infections while segregating waste, which is actually your duty.
40% of the recyclable dry waste like paper, which is not segregated, cannot be recycled because it gets damaged.
Wet waste can be converted into rich organic manure, which can be used for agriculture.
The money spent by the municipal corporation on the segregation of dry and wet waste is actually your own money in the form of taxes.